Time is standing still as I let go of your cold hand. Eyes are wet, but lips are dry, and all the things we'd planned were never what you wanted. We've been lying from the start. Guess I knew it, just ignored it. I let go of your cold hand. I guess I saw it coming, yet it took me by surprise. Oh.
Hello everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to my video. All I want to apologize to you guys that I am really sorry I was not active from past 2 weeks, and I am really sorry for the sudden disappearance. So my health was not very good, and yes, last week was my birthday. So here are some reasons that I couldn't make videos, but now I am super active guys, so don't worry, just enjoy my video because I am going to post some fresh topics, some fresh contents on my YouTube and on my Instagram both. And I'm really sorry guys for the sudden disappearance. And yes, okay, so keeping all this aside, let's move to our today's video. So today's video is all about this look. So I have created this look for those who like some peachy or pink kind of makeup. And yes, of course Diwali is coming, so we have to create a look which you can create in festives. So I have just created this looks for those who like peachy or pink makeups. And yes, this you can wear at wedding, this you can wear in parties, and this look you can create in festives. So this is all in one package. So let's create this look, and let's not waste our time because we have wasted 2 weeks. And so yes, let's start. And before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and go follow my Instagram. I will keep the link below in the description box so you can check there. And please now support guys, because I am here after 2 weeks and I really need your support. So yes, let's create this look. Okay, so one more thing I wanna add, that all my videos are non-sponsored and all the product which I use to do my makeup is purchased by myself. No one sent me the products or no one just paid me for anything. This is all my purchase and my personal makeup. So yes, now we're gonna start our video. And just like this video, subscribe my channel, follow my Instagram, and you guys are my love. Okay, so all the product links will be in the description box, that I want to say. Okay, so let's start now.
So cleaning is the first step of our makeup. So I am cleaning my face with this wet wipes, and then after I am applying this toner just to close all the open pores present on my face, and just let it dry. Then we will prepare our eye base. For that I am taking this concealer to prepare my eye base. You can take any eye base also, and I like to use concealer, so I am just blending my concealer over my lids. And for setting I am using this loose powder and just setting my eye base and preparing my eyes for my eyeshadow. Today I'll be taking this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette for my eye look, and just going to take the lightest brown shade on my blending brush and blending over my eyes, over my crease area, over my lids. And just you can see the technique in the video how I am applying. And next I am going to take little darker shade and apply outer corner of my eyes, and just going to blend very nicely. Diwali is coming guys, what are your plans? And just tell me in the comment section how you are going to celebrate your Diwali this year, because this year this pandemic is spreading all over the world very widely. Okay, so let's leave that, let's come to our topic. So I am taking glitter shade on my fingers and just applying over my lids. And you can see the technique how I am applying. And then I am taking this golden shimmer shade and applying on the inner corner of my eyes and blending with my fingers. Then I am taking purple color and just giving a little warmth to my eyelids just to highlight my eyelids, and then going to blend with my blending brush. Next I am taking the second shade and applying below my eyebrows and just blending with my blending brush. Okay, so blending brush is the most important brush for eye makeup. And next I am cleaning my face again with this wet wipes and just going to create a very nice winged eyeliner. Okay, so if you are beginners, try a sketch eyeliner first because it will help you to apply a perfect wing eyeliner, and if you are a pro, then very good. Okay, so apply your eyeliner very carefully because if your eyeliner will be spoiled, your whole eye look will be spoiled, and there is no way of fixing an eyeliner. So here my eyes look is completed, and again I am cleaning my face with wet wipes, and now I am going to prepare my base. And for that, firstly I am using this rose hip facial oil and massaging my face. Next we will apply a moisturizer, and you know very well how moisturizer is important to our face, and just massage your moisturizer very nicely that it will absorb in your skin, and just massage and massage, guys. I think you guys are getting bored of this massaging, so let's move to our next step, and that is blurring our open pores. So I'm taking the silicone based primer and applying over my face, and just leave it for 2 minutes just to set your primer. And yes, if you have very large pore, apply your primer and just push inside your skin. That will help you to minimize your pores. And next I am taking this color correcting palette and taking orange corrector to hide my dark circles, because I really have dark circles. So I am going to hide my dark circles, my pimple marks. Yes, of course, they just don't go. I really hate my pimple marks, but they just don't go. They are very sticky like chewing gums or like some animes. Forget that. From the same palette I am taking this peach concealer and applying over my red, or you can say orange color corrector, just to balance the color, and apply where you have applied your orange color corrector. If you have pimples, then apply green color corrector. That will help you to hide that. And yes, apply very nicely, and I'm applying with my fingers because yes, I am comfortable in that. So you can use your brush, your beauty blender, or whatever you need. And next I am applying concealer where I need that, and just going to blend this with my beauty blender. So you can see, and this will help me to know how much foundation I need. So yes, I'm just blending my concealer with my beauty blender, and you can see in the video, and just blend, just dab, and that is the way you can blend anything. And next I am taking this Super Stay foundation finally, and just applying all over my face again with the help of my fingers, and not forgetting the neck. I am applying on my neck also, and taking the same beauty blender and just blending my foundation with my current favorite beauty blender. So Now it's time to give a shape to your face, so I'm contouring my face and just applying with the help of this brush. And for nose I am taking a flat brush and applying a line on my nose bridge and just applying my contour on my nose to reshape my nose, and just taking this age rewind concealer to highlight the parts which I want to, and just applying this concealer to highlight my face and applying contour to give a depth to my face, and just going to blend this with this beauty blender, and the magic is going to be happen, so just wait and watch. Till then, tell me how you guys are doing, how is everything going, and again I'm really sorry for sudden disappearance, and now I'm back and your makeup queen is back. So next we are going to do our brows. I don't use any brow pomade, so I just used a spoolie to set my brows. And next I have just take my peach lipstick and applying as my blush. So I'm using my beauty blender to apply a blush, and next I'm taking this palette to highlight my lower lash line. Yes, so I'm taking this blue color, and with the help of this pencil brush I am applying my blue eyeshadow under my lower lash line, and just you can see, do this very carefully because it can hurt your eyes, so just do this very carefully. And next I'm taking a little purple shade and adding on my blue shade, so just blending under my lash line. Next I'm taking little blue glitter and applying on my outer lash line, and just you can see I'm giving a little glitter look to under my lash line, and just taking a little silver shade and applying on my inner lash line, and just take a golden shade and apply on my inner corner just to highlight my inner corners. And next I am taking this eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes, and taking my mascara, and I'm going to apply my mascara. Okay, always take a good mascara because it will change your eyes look completely. So always pick a good mascara and invest in your good mascara. So don't forget your lower lash line, and I'm applying on my lower lash line. And just now my favorite part, highlighter. So I'm taking this liquid highlighter and applying where I want to highlight my face, and just applying on my cheekbones, my nose tip, my temples, my brow bones. And yes guys, so just highlight your face. Now after applying all the creamy products, all the liquidy products, I am using this loose powder to set my face and just to sharpen my contour line and just to bake my concealer. And this will help you to make your foundation non-cakey, or you can say make your makeup non-cakey. So just if you are using any creamy product or any liquidy product, don't use powder first, use powder at the end. And then I am using my lip liner just to line my lips, and taking the same lipstick which I have applied as a blush, and and the look is completed here, so I'm adding some jewelry to my look and just adding the silver earrings for giving a classy look. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and how can I forget a bindi? A traditional look is incomplete without bindi, so I'm adding a small little bindi to my look, and yes, now the whole look is completed. Tell me in the comment section how do you like this look, or what do you want to see next. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my post notification, and go follow my Instagram also. All the links will be in the description box, so check there, and don't forget to see my next video. And thank you so much. Bye bye.